Welcome to Current Affairs 24/7. In today's session, we'll cover the most important current affairs of the week through exam-oriented MCQs. Let's get started. Who won the Player of the Tournament award at the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? A. Sanju Samson. B. Jasprit Bumrah. C. Will Jacks. Or D. Ishan Kishan. Answer: A. Sanju Samson. Here is the next question. Which city's municipal corporation has launched an AI-powered G-Spider robot to clean canals? A. Thiruvananthapuram. B. Kochi. C. Chennai. Or D. Bengaluru. Answer: A. Thiruvananthapuram. Moving on. What produces the dark oxygen discovered on the Pacific Ocean seafloor where sunlight does not reach? A. Deep-sea volcanic vents. B. Polymetallic nodules. C. Marine phytoplankton. Or D. Coral reef microorganisms. Answer: B. Polymetallic nodules. Fourth question is: consider the following statements regarding the Khelo India Tribal Games. The first ever Khelo India Tribal Games will be hosted by Chhattisgarh. The tournament will feature 7 medal sports. Morveer is the official mascot of the event. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer: D. All of the above. Moving ahead. Mumps is a viral disease that primarily causes swelling of which gland in the human body? A. Thyroid gland. B. Salivary gland. C. Pituitary gland. Or D. Adrenal gland. Answer: B. Salivary gland. Next question is: blue sparrow, black sparrow and silver sparrow are types of A. Fighter aircraft. B. Surveillance drones. C. Anti-aircraft guns. Or D. Ballistic missiles. Answer: D. Ballistic missiles. Seventh question is: India's first low-temperature thermal desalination plant, recently in news, is located at which place? A. Port Blair. B. Kochi. C. Kavrati. Or D. Minikoi. Answer: C. Kavrati. Moving on. Exercise LAMITIYE is a joint military exercise conducted between India and which country? A. Seychelles. B. Mauritius. C. Sri Lanka. Or D. Maldives. Answer: A. Seychelles. Moving ahead. Barometers are used in India to determine A. Internet usage patterns. B. Radio listenership ratings. C. Television viewership ratings. Or D. Newspaper circulation data. Answer: C. Television viewership ratings. Here is the next question. Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, recently in news, is located in which state? A. Uttarakhand. B. Bihar. C. Madhya Pradesh. Or D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer: D. Uttar Pradesh. 11th question is: Oarfish, which was recently in the news, is popularly known as A. Ghost fish. B. Dragon fish. C. Devil fish. Or D. Doomsday fish. Answer: D. Doomsday fish. Moving ahead. Consider the following statements regarding the Fiscal Health Index 2026. Odisha ranks first among states in the Fiscal Health Index. Fiscal Health Index 2026 is released by the Reserve Bank of India. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer: A. One only. Next question is: what is the motto of the Central Industrial Security Force, which recently celebrated its 57th Raising Day? A. Service before self. B. Touch the sky with glory. C. Protection and security. Or D. Duty, honor, courage. Answer C. Protection and security. Here is the next question. Which country has the third largest operational metro network in the world? A. Japan. B. India. C. Germany. Or D. China. Answer B. India. 15th question is, Hansen's disease, recently mentioned in the parliamentary proceedings, is popularly known as A. Leprosy. B. Tuberculosis. C. Measles. Or D. Smallpox. Answer A. Leprosy. Moving on. Sailesh Kumar, a para-athlete who recently won a gold medal at the World Para-Athletics Grand Prix, competes in which sport? A. Long jump. B. Shot put. C. High jump. Or D. Javelin throw. Answer C. High jump. Moving ahead. According to the recently released National Highways Green Cover Index, which state has the highest green cover along national highways? A. Gujarat. B. Assam. C. Telangana. Or D. Tamil Nadu. Answer B. Assam. Next question is, the Sheshnag 150 drones, recently in the news, belong to which type of drone system? A. Surveillance drones. B. Swarm drones. C. Cargo drones. Or D. Anti-submarine drones. Answer B. Swarm drones. 19th question is, Team Kalki, which recently dismantled a pan-India drug distribution network, belongs to which agency? A. Central Bureau of Investigation. B. National Investigation Agency. C. Enforcement Directorate. Or D. Narcotics Control Bureau. Answer D. Narcotics Control Bureau. Here is the next question. The Anavaran Portal, recently in the news, is primarily related to monitoring which of the following? A. Air pollution levels. B. Wildlife migration. C. Forest cover loss. Or D. River pollution. Answer C. Forest cover loss. Moving on. Rupkund Lake, recently in the news, is also famously known as A. Mirror Lake. B. Skeleton Lake. C. Ghost Lake. Or D. Frozen Lake. Answer B. Skeleton Lake. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Trends in International Arms Transfers 2025 report. The United States is the largest exporter of arms in the world. India is the largest importer of arms in the world. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer A. One only. 23rd question is, which of the following places will become the third home for cheetahs under the Cheetah Reintroduction Program? A. Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. B. Kuno National Park. C. Ranthambore National Park. Or D. Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary. Answer D. Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary. Moving ahead. Gurudongmar Lake is located in which state of India? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Sikkim. Or D. Uttarakhand. Answer C. Sikkim. Here is the next question. The Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals is also known as A. Ramsar Convention. B. Stockholm Convention. C. Bonn Convention. Or D. Bern Convention. Answer C. Bonn Convention. Moving on. Which state ranks first nationally in the effective implementation of new criminal laws and ICJS 2.0? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. Or D. Uttarakhand. Answer D. Uttarakhand. Next question is, Cold Response is a military exercise conducted by which organization? A. NATO. B. SCO. C. European Union. Or D. United Nations. Answer A. NATO. Moving ahead. AVATAAR, a drone developed by AquaRx, is what type of drone? A. Cargo delivery drone. B. Amphibious drone. C. Agricultural drone. Or D. Payload drone. Answer B. Amphibious drone. 29th question is, Mission Karmayogi, recently in the news, aims to upskill which group through capacity building initiatives? A. Unskilled labor. B. College students. C. School students. Or D. Civil servants. Answer D. Civil servants. Last question is, Nevado Ojos del Salado, world's highest active volcano, is the highest mountain in which country? A. Peru. B. Chile. C. Mexico. Or D. Bolivia. Answer B. Chile. Here is the bonus question. Answer this bonus question in the comments. That is it for today's session. You can continue your prep by watching our MCQ session on the T20 World Cup 2026 or revise the last week's current affairs. Keep learning, keep revising, and I'll see you in the next session.